the louder. Can I talk to you? Nice, please. Can I stay here? Okay. Nice meeting you. You're so beautiful. I like you are walking. I like you are twerking. Twerking. You're a sexy lady. A sexy lady. I like you from nothing to oh. I like you, sorry. Hey! Wow. My name is Lewin. N-I-L-W-I-N. Lewin. Or you can call me Kennedy. What's your name?
My name is Ashley.
Please louder.
My name is Ashley.
Ashley. Wow, wow. I come from Africa, Ghana. And you? Yeah. Jamaica. Wow. I'm a musician too. I know Akalai, Jamaica artists. I know Bunji. I know Billy Man.
Wow.
So many Jamaica artists. All my friends because we are all musicians. Of course. You are so nice. I like your chest. Wow. Please, I'm going.
I'm going home.
Going home? You stay with your mother or your family? Only you? Wow! Congratulations! 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 They said I'm comedian from Africa. You know, we can't speak T small crowd. Only Jamaican, only English.
Yeah.
We can't speak T.
I can't now.
I'll try to learn with Chi, African language. Chi, say Chi. No, not P. Chi. P means Jupiter or Patapa. Chi. I really like you. I stay here more than 5 years. I stay Los Angeles, Columbus, Ohio. I know LA. I know California. I'm everywhere. I'm a guy. I have the money. I have everything. I'm a swag papa.
Wow.
I know everywhere in New York. If you come to New York, if you know see me, you are not here. But guys, I want to be with you because I really like you so much. I don't have a girlfriend here. You have a boy here? Are you sure? Oh come on, tell me the truth. If you have a boy, I'll take you from where I die. Wow. I love you. I love you. Maintain your body, please. You're so fantastic. You're so crazy. And my work control. Africa didn't win. Ghana. Jamaica lady. Jamaica. Ha! You're so pretty. Okay, let's walk. Let's walk. Oh, nice. Everybody know me. We can go internet. You have internet? You can go if you go home, go internet and tag my Instagram, official one. Follow me. Everything tag me. You know, and go to YouTube. I have a YouTube TV. I have a TV. Weezy Empire TV. Subscribe. Weezy Empire TV. Facebook official one. Twitter official one. Everything official. Only YouTube Weezy Empire. I'm extract. I take you to Ghana, Africa. Yeah, we hear the name before. Jamaica artists come Ghana, have a show, more shows. I'll support them. Do you know Stoneboy? Oh, Stoneboy, they're Ghana, Africa, Ghana. They're higher musician. Yeah, he feature Billy Man. Oh, come on. Oh, you're so nice. Please, don't break my heart because I'm falling with you. I'm falling to love you. Guys, don't forget me, please.
No, I won't.
Let them throw you to home. Can I show me to your mother? I'm ready to see your mother. I'm ready to see your family because I can never leave you. 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 Hey! You're so pretty. Come on. Let me follow you. Guys. New York is a very fantastic town. It's so nice. But one day you go to LA to chill small. Or Miami. Do you know Miami? Wow! The place is very nice. The place is very nice. Okay. Somewhere 2005 or 2006, I was still moving with Jack Chan, Jack 3, Commando, Ramo, so many movie actors. You know, my song, I featured American Lewin, Jay-Z, Pop Daddy, a lot. You're so beautiful, lady. You're so nice. What a shit, what a bottom right now. I'm dying today, of course. Crazy. I'm so crazy. I'm go crazy now. I'll buy one car for you, okay? Which car do you like? Don't mention small car, please. Don't mention small car. If you come to Ghana, Africa, you can ask my name. Despite Ofoli Sapon, Champon, Joy Daddy, Kwadwo Don't go be test, Pocket. I'll buy you one of that. We have a lot of money. Choose one car you like in the whole world. I'll buy for you. Which car do you like? Jeep? 2020 or 2019? 2019, I'll give it to you. Because of your shit. Maintain for me, right? Come on. I have a private jet. Yeah, but I take it to Ghana, Africa. Yeah. Nkasah, me yini nyina go. Come in some nyina manasa. Nti be kani nyina go. But I want to see your mother for now. Your mother knows, say, if you're going out, you go with me. Right? I want to tell your mother, say, Mommy, you have a nice day. You have a nice girl. I take you, your baby, to my baby. I take you to my heart. People rushing me, all ladies here rushing me anytime. All ladies want to fuck me, but no, me, I don't allow myself to everybody fuck me. No, I don't like that. If I love you, and I fuck you, no. If you don't love you, I'll not fuck you. Man, what's in Nkasah? What I have a 6 pass. Oh yes. Oh yes, I have a 6 pass here. I have a 6 pass. Yeah. I have a 6 pass. Do you have a 6 pass? You don't have. I'll make sure to have the 6 pass. Hey, I'll become more pneumonia. Pneumonia. Oh my God.